Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Something a little bit off the cuff today. I just wanted to talk to you about stuff that's happening with DJI tomorrow. They have a press event happening. I just thought you'd be interested to see some of this. So they presented this presser last week, New York City, January 23rd, with this little teaser image, Adventure Unfolds. Turns out that the product has leaked, and it is going to be the DJI Mavic AIR. Kind of a cross between the Mavic Pro and the Spark, where it's going to be a design, it's going to have foldable arms, front sensors, a new 3-axis gimbal. Even though this looks like the 2-axis gimbal from the Spark, apparently is a 3-axis gimbal. Very cool. It's going to have 4K 60 FPS. So I'm very excited about that. I don't know if you know, but I shoot all of my videos in 60 FPS, and I've been holding off getting a 4K camera or another drone until it can do 4K 60. It's going to have new position and avoidance sensors. It's going to fly for 21 minutes and fold down. Really cool, actually, and all of the stats and stuff leaked out earlier today, and Drone DJ actually seems to have the best information about it. So they have a blog post here, dronedj.com. And they have all of the stats, as well as some additional proof and pictures. So they have all the stats there if you're interested. Some of the things we don't know about is what the range is going to be like. Is it going to have OcuSync? Is it going to have light bridge? Probably not, because it's not a pro model. So I'm expecting it's only going to have the 500 meter range. But it apparently is going to come with the RC controller. So here's a teaser shot here where it shows someone with their video editor. And this little image here shows some of the accessories it comes with. This might be the Fly More bundle, but this is with a case, a battery, extra props. Oh, that's the controller there. The controller looks to not have a screen on it. This is very pixelated, but this screen has no display. But at least you're getting an RC controller, so it's not going to have just phone control. And here's a picture of the actual drone when it's folded down and when it's opened. And it's going to apparently have different colors too, so it'll be available in 3 different colors, probably the white, the gray, and a red. Now, some interesting things here. You see how the top is designed where it doesn't have an opening, so the battery maybe is going to be on the bottom. It's unclear, but obviously it's a real product. DJI Mavic AIR. It's really happening, and it's going to be announced tomorrow. That's really just what I wanted to say. I'm excited about it because it's going to come in at a lower price than the Mavic Pro and a higher price than the Spark. So it's probably going to be around $699 US. Hopefully that's with the controller. If it can do 4K 60, comes with a controller, has a 20-minute flight time, you know, it's kind of right up my alley. Either I would likely either end up getting that, or the Mavic Pro would drop down in value and I would get the Mavic Pro. It's going to be over 250 grams for in Canada. Anything over 250 grams has a lot of regulations now, and you know, the tech just isn't there yet to come out with something that is really good specs for under 250 grams. Even right now, the Spark is a 300-gram drone. So, and maybe in the next couple of years we'll get there, but not quite yet. Because right now my only good aerial photography drone that I have is my Zero Explorer. It is still fully operational, I just almost never fly it, and I haven't flown it at all this winter. But we'll see what happens for 2018 when the new DJI stuff comes out. So yeah, just wanted to give you an early heads up on that. Thanks for watching. New DJI products are going to drop tomorrow. So thanks for watching.